Hi everyone, it's Janet Smart of Country Living. I thought this would be a good time to make a fruit dip. Apples are in season, and this is a very easy and delicious fruit dip. It just takes 3 ingredients: an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, anything with cream cheese in it is delicious, and some jet puffed marshmallow cream. Package of it is 7-ounce package. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now if you want, you can use almond flavoring. I use almond flavoring a lot when I make this, and it's very good too. So if you've got almond flavoring, you go ahead and use it. Now, I'll use the hand mixer to mix this up with. There we go. Get that off there. And it'll get all over your mixers. You might have to stop a few times and get it off. Take it up out there nice and slow. Now, stir it up some more. This is good with apples, it's good with bananas, it's good with strawberries. And right now, apples are all abound. I got some apples from my neighbor's apple tree. So, stir it up good. Put it in a nice bowl. Like I said, just 3 ingredients, and if you could probably even experiment with different flavorings, but I'd say vanilla or the almond. The almond is very good. I didn't have any almond flavoring today, so I just used plain vanilla flavoring. So, this is easy. Get you some apples. Dip in it. Cut you some bananas. That's also good. Strawberries is good. Very good. So, if you've got some marshmallow cream, a thing of cream cheese, and some vanilla, make up some of this dip and enjoy your fruit with it. It's very good. Janet Smart of Country Living.